Okay, so one of you wanted to know, how do you use your feminine charm? Okay, so to use your feminine charm, you just have to be a pure feminine woman. Now, don't get it twisted. Here's the thing about life, right? If you are trying to want to use your feminine charm and try to use it to get what you want from someone, I'm not saying that it's not possible, because it is possible. But the moment you have certain level of intentions and you're not trying to, how to put it to words, it's like put it this way: the only way you can use feminine charm is when you become a pure feminine woman. Because when you're a pure feminine woman, naturally, it's not of a thing where you're gonna want to manipulate people or manipulate guys to get what you want from them. You understand? But you will naturally have this feminine charm, this feminine aura about you. Yeah? It's as simple as that. Because you're going to be within your nature. You can't try and fake your feminine charms and all that stuff there to get what you want. Because it's going to backfire. That's how life is. When you go with negative intentions, and even though you're going to say for you it's positive intention because it's for you, blah, blah, blah. But either way, it's going to backfire. It will backfire. And you don't want to receive that you don't want to be on the receiving end of negative karma. Yeah, so just develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. Yeah, attract the right guy, and then everything would be nice for you. Alright, so click the link in the description box below that says become a member of the Akibuda and Trust, so you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. That's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman. Plus, you learn exactly how dating and relationships actually work. So yeah, so if you've got any questions or any topics you'd like for us to discuss, go ahead, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.